Every morning in a small town in Seattle, a golden retriever waited at a bus stop.
He rode 3 stops, got off, walked straight into a hospital, wearing sneakers.
For 6 years, he had belonged to a little girl fighting cancer.
When she passed away, he kept visiting, every single day, waiting outside her old room.
One nurse finally adopted him.
Ready for another ride?
Now he still rides the bus,
But this time, he's visiting sick children who need him most.